thank you for sponsoring this video, Sheila. We appreciate all your support, and game on.
Oh, dang.
Oh, I was so excited about this. I know.
It looks good.
It's so good. It's a food you don't really want to eat fast. Oh my god.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, Arnold Palmer?
A little bit of Kool-Aid pineapple.
She looks so beautiful today. Oh my gosh.
The cross-section is still yellow on the inside.
This is fresh pineapple, but the viral Kool-Aid. I love you.
Oh, he's running. He wants the food too.
Yo, I love that pineapple. Don't be going.
Ooh, another one.
Twice?
Smiley friends.
Okay.
Yeah, he's another one. Snap. Oh, snap. Another one.
No!
Going the same way 3 times in a row. He's very big on every time he plays. It's normally either rock or paper he throws. Very little is it.
I'm getting a new strategy.
Okay.
Alright. Since I'm so good at doing the wrong thing, my new strategy is trying to lose.
Okay. Dang.
Oh, I don't want to be good at it.
Great strategy. I mean, he's accomplished what he was trying. I'm gonna try to lose.
Okay. I know, isn't that pineapple delicious? Oh.
Another one.
Please. Oh.
You're gonna leave me the tiniest piece of pineapple. Feeling generous?
I love smileys too. Okay. Oh, I was trying to win too.
I hope so. She's so pretty better in the dress. I love her. Oh, it's delicious. I'm a lucky guy. Little dad joke. I don't want to be so shellfish, but I'm eating it. Hurry up, get that down. There you go. Yo, I think if Mom wins this, she can get it down. You better watch out.
hot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, snap. Take the race. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I was not ready for that one. For the win. Oh, he's not even running. You got it. No, you got time. You got time. Holy moly. She did it.
Is that all of it?
Yup.
Oh my god!
A little bit of space.
Great job, honey.
Holy cow.
That was fun. Yeah, thank you. Woo.